Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to be comparing AT&T Fiber and Xfinity to see which internet service is better in 2026. So if we talk about internet technology, so AT&T Fiber uses the fiber optic cables which transmit the data using light. It allows extremely fast speeds and very stable connections. Xfinity Internet provided by Comcast mainly uses cable internet technology through the coaxial cables. Fiber connections generally deliver more consistent performance, especially when many devices are connected at the same time. Both are going to provide you the fast internet, but their speed structure is very different. AT&T Fiber typically offer the plans from 300 Mbps to multi-gig speeds like 2 Gbps or even 5 Gbps in some areas. Xfinity also offers fast plans with speeds ranging from basic broadband up to gigabit internet depending on the plan. However, fiber usually provides the symmetric speeds, meaning upload and the download speeds are the same. If we talk about the pricing and the plans, so AT&T Fiber plans generally start around the mid-range price for high-speed internet, and most of the plans include unlimited data and simple pricing. You can see the pricing structure over here. For 300 Mbps speed, you can pay $55 every single month. For up to 1 gig speed, $65, and for 5 gig speed, $155 per month. Xfinity often offers the lower introductory prices for basic plans, which can make it really attractive if for the users who want a cheaper starting options. However, prices may increase after the promotional period. Now, if we talk about the availability, so Xfinity Internet is available in many more areas across the United States, which makes it accessible for a larger number of households. AT&T Fiber is still expanding and is usually found in the specific cities and neighborhoods where fiber infrastructure has been installed. So you can go with AT&T Fiber if it is available in your area. It's usually the better option because of the faster speeds, symmetrical performance and strong reliability. But if fiber isn't the option available in your area, Xfinity Internet can still be a solid choice with fast cable speeds and wider coverage. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.